Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? So today we will find the minimum or maximum in the dictionary. There are three methods or maybe more. So first we will discuss simple method, and after that we will discuss lambda notation to find minimum key from the dictionary. So in first method, we have a dictionary of key 22 and a value of 10, and another key of 30 and the value of 5. So finding minimum in that, we will simply do this. So we get the keys 22 from the dictionary. So if you want to find the minimum value from this dictionary, you just use to add this key. So in value we got 5. So these are two simple methods. And another method, for example, in this case, if you have given a dictionary of cities, so or maybe you can have another problem. So for example, I have a city of Islamabad, and which have the key of kilometer. In, for example, this have kilometer up to 100 kilometer, and another city is Murray, which have a key of 60 kilometer, and another key of for example, Dera Ismail Khan, which is my city. So it have cost of 300 kilometer, and another of Karachi, which have cost of 2000 kilometer. So here you can see the 2000 kilometer. Yes. So for finding, if we do minimum in this case, we get Dera Ismail Khan, which is 300, which is not minimum. It will give us incorrect answer. So with the help of lambda notation, we can solve this matter. So here we should be given this Murray. We want to extract that Murray, which have cost of minimum. We do not want to use values. For example, we are not interested in getting this value. We are interested in getting this key, which is city. So for this, I will use lambda notation. So first use a list. Cast these keys into any list. So I cast this to the values. Keys. So these are saved. So if you check, compare, so these values are added cast to compare list. So with this compare list, we will use minimum function. So use compare and key equals lambda. So this is the type of command. So this is built-in keyword. You cannot change this variable to any other variable, whereas this variable city is our defined variable. We can change the name of this, but we cannot change this key. So this is built in. So in this we will use dit of city, and here I get the error. Which error? Name compare is not defined. Okay, so I have this compare. So here you can see we get the Murray, and which have cost of minimum. And after this, you can also do another operation from this. So let's check how this method works. So first we save these keys into a list, which we can see here, and we use compare and key. It means that in compare, first of all, Islamabad where key will be extracted, and this key will be stored in this city, and this will map to the value of this. So first it will map 200, and another it will automatically use for loop in this minimum function, and it will automatically give us the minimum value. So compare will be mapped with this, and another Murray and Dar Ismail Khan and so on. So all the values are mapped automatically inside this minimum function. So here that how it works. So this city is the element of this compare list, and this will be mapped to this value. So here you use minimum, we can also use maximum. So here maximum is Karachi, so I get this Karachi. So if you want to get the value of this, so just save this x equals, and you can print the value of this as well. So dit of x, and we get x. So here is a simple command of finding the minimum and maximum of these. So that's all for today, and inshallah we will meet you in another lecture.